Ever brush off a fever or a racing heart? Imagine that tiny signal spiraling into a life-threatening emergency: sepsis. In the next few moments, I'm uncovering the critical red flags your body sends when danger is imminent. This isn't just information, it's a potential lifesaver. Buckle up, because what you learn here might save your life. Sepsis is your body's extreme, often unexpected reaction to an infection. When your immune system overreacts, it floods your bloodstream with chemicals, sparking widespread inflammation. Picture your defenses turning rogue, putting vital organs at risk. Sepsis can strike without warning and in minutes escalate into a full-blown crisis. Here's a shocker: over 1.7 million adults get sepsis each year, and nearly 270,000 people don't survive it. These aren't just numbers. They represent lives lost because early warning signs were missed. Imagine if you could catch these signs in time. Your quick action might be the difference between life and death. Think a fever is nothing? Think again. First, a sudden spike or an unexpected drop in temperature is a glaring red flag. Second, a rapid heart rate, even at rest, signals more than just stress. Third, struggling for breath or gasping unexpectedly shows your body is in crisis mode. Fourth, sudden confusion or disorientation isn't normal, it's a critical alert. Fifth, that crushing, unexplained pain is more than mere discomfort. It's a warning sign. And finally, if your skin turns cold and clammy or pale suddenly, your body is sending a desperate SOS. Recognizing these hooks early is your first line of defense. When you see these signs, don't wait another moment. Dial emergency services immediately. Your call could be the crucial first step in saving a life, maybe even your own. Clearly describe every detail, including any recent infections or unusual changes, and keep monitoring every second. In sepsis, hesitation is not an option. The clock is ticking, and every moment counts. Once you reach the hospital, doctors spring into action. They initiate a sepsis protocol by drawing blood for rapid tests, obtaining imaging, and closely monitoring your vital signs to pinpoint the infection's source. Broad-spectrum antibiotics and IV fluids are started right away to control the infection and stabilize blood pressure. In severe cases, if the infection is localized, such as an abscess or a perforated organ, surgical intervention is used for source control, removing the infection's root cause. Their approach is simple and urgent. Act fast, because every minute can mean the difference between survival and tragedy. Imagine a scenario where someone ignores a high fever and sudden confusion, hesitates to call for help, and then, moments later, their condition spirals out of control. These real-life snapshots show that prompt action and expert care make all the difference. Your awareness and immediate response can stop sepsis in its tracks. Can simple steps really protect you? Absolutely. Treat infections as soon as they appear. Don't dismiss even minor ones. Maintain good hygiene and practice safe habits. Keep up with vaccinations to lower your risk, and never skip those routine checkups. Every preventive step you take is a move toward a safer, healthier life. Imagine turning every piece of knowledge into life-saving action. What if sharing this information could protect someone you care about? If this video fired you up, don't just watch. Act now. Like, share, and subscribe for more urgent health insights. Your alertness and swift response might be the critical difference that saves a life. Remember, high fever, rapid pulse breathing issues, confusion, extreme pain, and cold, clammy skin are all warning signs that sepsis may be lurking. Every second is precious. Stay informed, stay safe, and act fast.